him. Oh, Gobbles. God bless you, puppy.
He got snow down his mouth
Aww.
and down his windpipe.
Are you okay? Are you okay, Mr. Peanut? Oh, look, he's peeing.
He can't get his leg up high enough to pee.
He stands there much longer, he'll be buried. His nose. He's got snow on the tip of his little nose. My Gonzo, sweetie. My baby.
Look out. More yellow snow.
Man, look at the roof.
Man, my finger gets numb and I quit recording.
Well, you can stop recording and start taking